Okay, so this is an instructional video on an Adria twin. Just so you know, this hasn't been through the valet just yet. So first of all, we'll go around the outside and then we'll go into the habitation area. So first things first, I'll show you where the bonnet catch is. So if you come to the passenger side, and the catch is just here. If you just pull it once, that will release. So now that I've got the bonnet open, I'm going to show you a few things under the bonnet. So you've got your negative terminal here, and your positive is just down here underneath a cap. Also, while we're here, your screen wash fill is on the driver's side. So next we're going to go around the outside, down the passenger side. So the first cap you see is your 240 volt electric hookup point. The next one is your toilet cassette. To get your toilet cassette out, all you need to do is lift this blue tab up. Once it's above, you can pull straight out. So once you've got your cassette out, if you're wanting to drain your cassette, just twist this nozzle out, take the cap off, and when you tilt up, if you keep your finger on this button here, it will drain out and let air in so it doesn't splatter everywhere. So once you've drained and cleaned your cassette, when you're putting it back in, just make sure it is aligned straight, and then you need to push in until the clip goes past the raised bit. You will hear it click. Now your cassette is back in secure into place. So carrying on around the van, that is going to be your flue for the boiler. We're on the driver's side now. So this cap here is for your fresh water. So you just fill that up until the water starts to come back out. On this side, these are ventilations for your fridge. And as you can see, we have got the side step out. So now we're going to go into the habitation area. Just to point out, on the sliding door it's got two stoppers, so you can slide it halfway and it will stop there, so you can have the sliding door half open, or if you slide it all the way so it's fully open, it will lock into place. As you can see, we have got a fly screen, and when you are shutting the sliding door, you just need to pull the handle and slide across. If you let go of the handle at the halfway point, it will catch again, like so, and lift the handle to shut. So now, as you can see, we are in the habitation area, but first of all we'll go through the cab area just to show you a few of the features. So all the windows have got blackout blinds. All you need to do is pull this tab towards you and then lift up and they will go into place, and then you just need to close the tab again. At the front, your blackout blinds, just click these buttons in and slide across. They will then meet in the middle on a magnetic strip and stay in place. Same on the driver's side with a blackout blind. So as you can see, both seats are swivel seats. To swivel the seats, you just pull this little tab here and they will swivel. Back in the habitation area, you've got your control panel just above the sliding door when you come in. If you click the button once, your lights will come on. Twist the dial, it will give you the gauge of your water level. you twist the dial again, it will give you the gauge of your waste tank. If you twist to the left, it will give you your habitation battery level. Twist the left to it again, it will give you the main battery level. So this has got a Truma heating system. We have got a separate video link for the controls of this, and we'll add this into your email. So in the dining area, as you can see, we've got the table fully set up. This table does go lower to convert into a bed, so it's dinette to berth. All you need to do is lift the table, and at a certain angle the clips will unclip, and then you just need to lower it down onto the one just below. When you do lower the table, you will just have to take off this bottom leg and leave this one. This will make your full platform across. Just on the entrance of the sliding door, you've got your step button here. And then above that is just some light switches. So next we'll just go over the kitchen area. At the side of the kitchen you've got a pop-up table which is like extra worktop. In the first one you've got a 2 hob burner, and then on your next one is your sink built in. If you are going to use the hob, once you've finished using the hob, let the hob cool down for about 20 minutes and keep the glass up. The reason for this is if you've got the sliding door open and the cold temperature outside and the heat, instant heat, sometimes the glass can shatter, so you're better off letting it all cool down before you close the glass down. So when you're wanting to drain your freshwater tank down, if you're going to put your motorhome into storage, all you have to do is open your water and let it drain through. This will go straight down to your wastewater tank. Your wastewater tank is on the passenger side just below your cassette. If you just twist this handle so it's vertical, it will start draining. Back into the kitchen area, one last thing is in this cabinet here you've got your shut off gas safety valves. Next we will go on to the fridge, and to open the fridge you just have to pull this handle and it will unclip. To control your fridge, all the controls are inside the frame of the fridge. So you've got your power, you've got your mains, you've got your gas, you've got your leisure battery, and then you've got auto. This is your temperature. So next we'll show you your shower toilet area. So all you need to do is slide these shutter doors and they will meet into the middle, and then that will create your shower area. As you can see, your toilet is just down below. This floor down here lifts up to create your more of a shower area. Obviously you need to make sure the van is level so the wastewater can drain away. And to use your shower is just a pull out shower head and it goes straight up to the top on a shower hook. Last in the habitation area we have got your bed area. So we have got a step here. Underneath this step it has got some storage area, and just above the step you have got a latch here which you can access the garage area. On the right you have got some storage space. You can open this, and also it's got a coat hanger rail inside. Here you see you've got your awning arm, that will fit into the garage, and then all your windows have blackout blinds and fly screens. So last but not least, we'll go into the garage area and show you a few things in here. So once you open both doors, on the left you've got 3 catches. Just open that and this fits your gas bottles. You've got your regulator at the top there. You also have a safety valve here. So if that is vertical, gas will flow. To shut it off, if you make it horizontal, it will be closed. Just below that you've got a little cabinet here. This is just your heating safety valve and drain valve. You've got a blue toggle at the top, and down at the far right, down here, sometimes there's a little blue button. Sometimes if that stays open, the water will still flow through, so you just need to twist that and the button has come out. If you push the button, if you lock the valve again, the button is still out. If you press the button in, it will lock into place. So that is the instructional video complete. If you need any more information about any features of this vehicle, leave a comment below or drop us an email at emm-beemotorhomes.co.uk.